So you're thinking about moving to Hershey, Pennsylvania? Good choice. In addition to being one of my favorite suburbs of the Harrisburg area, it is also a favorite destination for so many Americans coming for the attractions like Hershey Park, Chocolate World, and so many others. We're going to show you those. We're also going to show you a few houses in some different price points to show you what your money can buy you. And we're going to get real with it right now.
If this is your first time to the channel and you want to know everything there is to know about living in the central Pennsylvania area, including right here in Hershey, click subscribe below and tap the bell for notifications. That way you can be the first to know about current market right here in central PA. My name is Aaron. Josh, the team, and I, we get calls and emails every day from people just like you looking to make their move to the area. So whether you're moving now or in 6 months from now, give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email. All of our information is in the description below. That way we can help you make a smooth move to the area.
So as I was saying, today's video is all about living in Hershey, Pennsylvania. In addition to being one of my favorite suburbs of Harrisburg, it's also the favorite town of many people around the country and even the world because of the famous attractions here in Hershey, primarily Hershey Park and Chocolate World. Milton Hershey started this town in the early 1900s around the production of his chocolate factory and the employees there. He wanted to create a good way of life for the employees of his chocolate factory and their families. So he created Hershey Gardens and Hershey Park and Milton Hershey School, all of which we'll take a look at very soon. So this town has a rich history, and even to this day, it maintains such a great sense of community. It's very safe here, and it's a really, really nice, upscale place to live. As such, home prices are a little bit above the average of what we've been seeing in the other videos of the other suburbs in central PA, but you're still getting a great deal of comfort and home for your money. So we'll take you a look at some of these homes. We're going to hop in the car now and take you around. We'll show you some of these attractions, and we'll check back in at the end for a special treat. We'll see you.
All right, so this is going to lead us to our first home of the day. We're in a neighborhood on the east end of Hershey. It's called Palmdale. We're very close to the border of the next county and the next city. The next city is going to be Palmyra, and that's located in Lebanon County. So like I said, very close to the county line. So this home here is actually the lowest price point on the market in Hershey as of today. This home features 1,300 square feet. It is a Cape Cod. Now they do have a finished basement, which takes the square footage up to around 1,700 square feet. All right, so this home here was built in 1941. It features 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths. It has a convenient master bedroom on the first floor with a full bath also on the first floor. The other 2 bedrooms are going to be located upstairs with another full bathroom. The price on this, like I said, was $310,000, and that's basically a price per square foot of $224.
All right, so here we are on West Caracas. We just showed you a house on the east end of town, just about an 8-minute drive. We're here at West Caracas at this listing here, which is on the market right now for $550. And you could tell just the difference between the east side of town and the west side of town. You're looking at about a $200,000 to $215,000 jump. This home behind me, it's a beautiful home, but pretty modest. You can see that it's in a pretty close-knit street here of homes. You're not dealing with a sprawling estate, but the price is indicative of the fact that your home is in a resort town. You're paying for those amenities that are at your fingertips. The Hershey Theater being here, the park being right across town, so many nice bars and restaurants just a block away on Chocolate Avenue. This home was built in the late 1920s. It's a traditional brick home. It's got 3 bedrooms. It's about 1,900 square feet, just over. And at $550, you're looking about $285 a square foot. So if I were to pick this house up and put it in Harrisburg, it would be half the price. So that should go to show in terms of being in a resort town, you're paying that extra luxury to be there. So we want to show you some photos of this home as we did with the others, and then we'll continue on our tour of the great neighborhoods of Hershey. So this home has been transformed into a modern retreat while staying true to the original character of its 1920s charm. Inside the front door, you find a waiting room parlor, which opens into a family dining room and kitchen area. The kitchen is accented in bronze hardware, quartz countertops, a designer light package, stainless steel appliances, and plenty of stylish storage options. First floor bathroom, custom design accents continue throughout both bathrooms. Decorative floor and shower tiles. You'll find 3 bedrooms on the second floor and access to the third floor, which offers a bonus room. There's plenty of off-street parking, and like I said earlier, it's walking distance to restaurants, entertainment, and schools.
All right, so now we're coming up on our third neighborhood of the day. We are still in downtown Hershey, more toward the center. If you take a look at this landscape here, you're gonna notice that homes are much more spread out. It's just basically, it's a beautiful landscape. I mean, take a look at the trees, the wide streets. It's just breathtaking. This home that we have here is listed at $995,000, so just short of $1 million. It's a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath home. The square footage is right around 3,000. It does have a finished basement, so that adds a little more to the square footage. That would bring it roughly around to 3,400 square feet. This was built in 1928, and the price per square foot is going to be right around $335. So as you see from the other 2 homes that we showed you today, much higher price point, and it's going to be because of location. All right, so fun fact on this home, this is only one of 3 remaining original homes designed by Milton Hershey's architect, Paul Whitmer. As you enter, you're going to be greeted with a charming foyer with hardwood floors. It flows into a large living room with a cozy gas fireplace. Just off a living room is a bright sunroom which has walls of windows and a glass-paneled French door. The kitchen has quartz countertops and loads of space for food prep. Beautiful cherry wood cabinetry and a peninsula island where family and friends can gather. The spacious family room boasts built-in cabinetry and wood floors. You can retreat to the primary bedroom on the second floor level, which can accommodate a king-size bed, has 2 walk-in closets, and a suite with dual sinks and granite countertops. This is definitely in a good location, only 3 blocks from the school and the new recreation center, and walking distance to in-town restaurants, grocery store, and shops. Hershey Medical Center, the airport, and highways are just a short drive. All right, so now we're going to take you to our 4th and final neighborhood. This is going to be in the price range of around $1.3 million. So we can give you the full perspective of what you can purchase here in Hershey, Pennsylvania.
Okay, so here we are at our 4th and final house with our tour today. And as Aaron said earlier, this represents the highest price point that we'll be exploring today in the Hershey area at $1.3 million. Now, for that price point, you do get a substantial amount more home at 6,100 square feet with 6 bedrooms and 4.5 baths. So with that, there is a complete in-laws quarters on the first floor with a separate living room, bedroom, bathroom, full kitchen, and bonus bedroom or workout room. The second floor has a variety of rooms with a multitude of uses.
There's a huge eat-in kitchen with all new appliances and an entertainment area complete with a full bar. There's an office area, a washer and dryer closet, and garage with a storage shed and plenty of additional parking. Additionally, outside, there is a fire pit, a heated salt water pool, a turf field measuring 100 by 55, half-court basketball measuring 30 by 45, and a full house propane generator. This home has a private driveway and plenty of beautiful land and is just an exquisite home.
So Aaron and I were just joking that these last few videos, we've been wearing our sunglasses the whole time, that you guys are gonna start calling us the shady realtors. But we are just enjoying this wonderful weather. I just don't want to be squinting at the camera the whole time because we have had a series of really beautiful days here, sunny, clear, and beautiful. So that's what the sunglasses are all about. We're also out and relaxing, enjoying a nice beverage on this beautiful day. Chocolate Avenue is behind me. We're at the Chocolate Avenue Grill, right across from one of our satellite Iron Valley offices, and just enjoying and catching up on some business. Wanted to let you know that if you're moving to the area, you've seen some of the home prices, you've seen the competitiveness of the market lately. Things are not staying on the market long. If you need a strong advocate, call us at the Real Central PA team and we'll work hard for you to get you where you need to be. All right, so at the beginning of this video, we said that we were gonna finish today's vlog with a special treat. And we've taken that quite seriously, as you can see behind me. We are here at the entrance of Hershey Chocolate World. We've talked a lot about this, and my mouth has been watering to finally get here. There's a ton of candy, all the old classic candy bars like Kit Kat, Reese's, and Hershey, and all the new prototypes that Hershey's always rolling out, new candies. So you can shop around in there. There's souvenirs. So we're gonna go in and take a look. There's also a really cool interactive train ride that we're gonna show you. It shows you what happens inside the chocolate factory, how the different chocolate recipes are made. A lot of hustle and bustle here today. Trolley ride about to take off. There's food trucks, and it's a really fun day here at Hershey Park and Chocolate World. So follow us inside and we're gonna show you around. All right, so we hope you enjoyed that tour of Hershey. I love coming here and I love bringing you this video today. You know, this really is one of our favorite suburbs in central Pennsylvania. It really is the sweetest place on earth. So if you're thinking about moving here to Hershey or you know somebody that is, please get in touch with us at the Living in Central PA team and we'll make you feel right at home.
And if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more just like it, make sure you subscribe below and tap the bell for notifications. That way you can be the first to know about the current market right here in Central PA. My name is Aaron.
I'm Josh.
With the Real Central PA team. Until next time, keep it real.